and welcome to the new sound. Today we'll explore what a clave is and how it relates to the music we make. The word clave means key or code, and that's exactly what it is. It's the key to understanding the complex rhythms of Latin music. When Africans were brought over to the Caribbean, they brought with them rich musical traditions, which merged with local sounds to form something truly unique. Clave refers to both a rhythm pattern and an instrument used in Afro-Cuban and other Latin American musical genres. The instrument called a clave consists of two wooden sticks or dowels that are struck together to produce a sharp, resonant sound, essentially serving as the metronome for the musical ensemble. The clave pattern itself is fundamental to various Afro-Cuban musical styles, including the rumba, mambo, salsa, songo, and Afro-Cuban jazz. While there are many clave patterns, two of the most common are the 3/2 and 2/3 forms. The 3/2 side of the clave pattern consists of 3 beats in the first measure, while the 2/3 side has 2 beats. Let's let Chris show us how this works. The clave is the fundamental building block of Afro-Cuban music. This pair of sticks may be simple in form, but they are profound in influence. Through the clave, we connect to a tradition and the history and soul of a people. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.